Hello and welcome back to the series, guys. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install Angular because in the previous video I had missed that out. So let's get started by opening up your browser and then type in Angular. Once you type in Angular, open the Angular official website, that is angular.io. I would provide links in the description below. Click on get started, local setup, and then copy the Angular install command, that is npm install globally Angular CLI. Go to your command prompt or terminal either in Ubuntu or Mac. For me, I'm opening the command prompt in Windows. Just paste that code that you copied in from the Angular website and then hit enter. As I've already installed the Angular CLI, that is, I've already installed Angular, I wouldn't be doing so. So check once you have installed Angular or not and it's working properly or not. What you can do is you can just type ng-v. So after typing that, if you get this means that you have successfully installed Angular properly. So now I would show you what I have proposed to build in this whole series. This is just a sneak peek of what we are going to be building in this whole course. So this would be the app that we are going to be building in this whole course. So it is a minimal to-do app which can help us do everything on total. So this is also a mobile responsive site, as you can see here. It works very fine on mobile as well, and yeah, all the functionalities work. So as you can see, it is working fine. I have no tasks available. It's showing my name as well. I can add a task like get a cookie, get it from the local store. Whoops, I think I got I can add a date for the due date over here, and I can select one priorities saying I have it low, medium or high. I'm going to set it as medium and add the task. So this task gets added over here, and we also have a pop-up saying that task has been added, which vanishes after 5 seconds. Also, the add task function doesn't work until you have entered the inputs as over here, and you can even close this pop-up. When you click on delete all, it will delete all the to-dos, as you can see here, and it also shows us a pop-up, and now we have no tasks available. You can also view your profile over here in this app, and yeah, you can even log out and log in. That is a simple functionality available in this app. So in the next video, I'm going to be starting off with the basics of the development. So let's get going, and I'll see you in the next video.